In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To replace the tail light on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. To detach the tail light assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two bolts with a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Then pull on it to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. You can now remove the light. You can order the tail light used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new tail light. Put the sockets into the tail light housing and then turn them clockwise to lock them in place. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the two holding bolts back in. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.